I opened about 3 positions on B1000. Okay, so we are scalping 3 candles. Sorry, we are scalping 5 candles like I told you earlier. And let's check crash 1000. Oh, yeah, we opened few positions to catch spikes on crash 1000. Remember, this strategy can equally use it to catch spikes and also use it to scalp boom and crash. Do you understand? So that's why you can see here I am selling boom here and buying crash here. Sorry, selling crash as well because I'm catching the spikes on crash while I'm scalping boom. Okay, so that's how the strategy work, and it's very accurate. Okay, you can see the spike, though the spike is not deep enough. It's a short spike, but then the spike came. And for B1000, we are scalping this just the first candle, the first dot, the second dot comes, and we take 5 candles, we close out. Okay, if you are new on our channel, kindly hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to join a free Telegram channel. Okay, and also join the VIP, guys. We are making money on the VIP. Join the VIP, guys. It's very important. Join the VIPs, right? So I dropped this video yesterday on how to catch spikes and how to scalp with this strategy. I'm still showing you guys again how to use this strategy again, and some other stuff you need to put in place, like the price action you need to put in place so as to make more money with this strategy. Okay, just having indicators is not enough. Okay, I think having a little bit of price action knowledge will really help. Okay, so yeah, we just catch spikes. I don't know, I think we should close this one out. Okay, give me a minute, I'll be back. Okay, so I just closed those positions. The spike wasn't long enough because this is an uptrend. Okay, but I was so certain that price would be dropping at that very point, that very limit, right? And for B1000, we are still running profits, so we've gathered some profits. We are in for 5 candles like I told you. We already have 1, 2, and 3. This is the 4th candle still forming. So after the 5th candle, we closed out with little profit, and that's cool. We do that again and again, like 10-20 times today, and we make so much money. Okay, yeah, so now I want to show you guys how to bring in price action with this strategy, to combine a little of price action with this strategy. I love doing this. So when you open this chart, you need to move to at least 30 minutes time frame. When you move to 30 minutes time frame, you see the overall picture, the bigger picture. Okay, when you see the bigger picture, what you need to do is to bring your horizontal lines to identify those supports and resistance levels. Okay, support and resistance levels. Okay, yeah, like this. We have support here, we have a zone there. You need to identify those zones. We have a zone here. Okay, why do I call that a zone? Because this is where price reverse at this point started going up, and again here there was spikes, right? Price reversed around this level here down. Okay, so it's definitely gonna do same thing when it gets to when price, this candlestick that is forming, this red candlestick that is forming, comes to this level, it's likely to spike at this point. So if I check on the lower time frame and price is around this level on the lower time frame, 1 minute time frame, and as I confirm on my indicator on the indicator in window 1 that price has gotten to the oversold level for boom, I'll just buy at that point. Okay, what I mean is that now let's check 1 minute time frame. Okay, so this 1 minute time frame. So if I have my price at this very point, if I have this RSI, the blue indicator here, at this very oversold level, and we have the indicator at the oversold level as well, I'll be buying at this point because it's gonna spike. It's definitely gonna spike. You can see it's an uptrend. Okay, so I think we've made some profits here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 6 candles. So I'll just close and then continue with this video. Okay, so you see, we didn't enter on time. This would have been our entry somewhere here. Entry would have been somewhere here. Yeah, somewhere here. Okay, but we enter somewhere here. So it's almost the same thing. Yeah, so we've made some profits here from crash, from boom 1000. Also, we made some profits from crash 1000. Okay, yeah. So like I said, let's go back to boom. You stay on the 30 minutes time frame and identify the support and resistance, these zones. Then you come down to lower time frame. When price gets to this level, it's likely to spike. But from what I'm saying, I think if price gets to this level, it might not get to this level here. So I will avoid buying at this point. Okay, I'll avoid buying at this point because price has not gotten to the oversold area, but we have price at the horizontal line, so I can't buy this one as it is now. Okay, so when you open the chart, let's check crash on the 30 minutes time frame. When you open the chart, what you need to do is to bring your horizontal line like this. You look for those zones where price reversed over time repeatedly. Okay, price has been reversing at a particular point repeatedly, okay, for a long time, for so many times, right? So what you need to do, like this place here, you can see price has been spiking at this point. Whenever it gets to this point, it spikes one, two, three, several times, right? About 4 or 5 times around that level. So that's a zone there where price reverses from. Okay, then if you look closer again, you can see there's a zone here, which is this one here. There's a zone there, right there. Why is it a zone? Because price reversed at this very point here some 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 hours ago. Okay, some hours ago, and price also reversed somehow here. You won't be able to see that somehow here some hours ago. And if you check back, you realize that this line, the line I just placed there, acted as zone before. Those lines acted as zones before. You can see here price reverse around this level, reverse around this level. So whenever price gets to that level, it's likely to reverse, to spike. Do you understand? So if you go back, see price reverse around this level. Okay, so that's a zone. That is a zone. Price is definitely going to spike around that level. See here, there was a reversal around this level. So that's a strong level there on the chart. Okay, so it's likely to spike. Then once you place those zones there, you wait for price to get to that to that very zone. Yeah, you wait for the price to move from where it is to that very zone. Then for crash, you'll be looking to sell. Once it gets to that zone, then you confirm on your lower time frame, on the 1 minute time frame, that price is at the overbought area. Okay, what I mean is that when you bring your indicator window one up like this, and on the 1 minute time frame, you see price going to the overbought area, then you confirm also on the main chart that price has gotten to where you place your zone, where you identify as a zone, as your zone. Okay, price is at that zone, not that price will be dropping at that very point. Now, when you see this kind of markets like this, you see it has been going up like this, it's really, really bad to sell at that point. This is a strong uptrend, so it's not advisable to buy a trend like this. Okay, but when it comes from down, it comes from down like this and gets to a level to the overbought level, maybe moves down here and gets to the overbought level here, and you confirm that your zone is right there around that level, then you can sell. But when it's going up like this, very strong like this, you don't have to sell. If you're selling and if you're selling and it spikes, you take, no matter how short the spike is, no matter how small it is, just take your profits and leave the market because this is a strong uptrend. Okay, so just keep doing that. You find those zones, so you see when price get to this level, it's definitely going to spike around this level here. Okay, and when it gets to this level again, it's gonna spike. So we are just waiting, but since because of time, we won't be able to wait to see what's gonna happen around this level here. Okay, so I think that'll be all for now, guys. Okay, let me quickly still show you guys the settings. Though I've shown you guys the settings, supposed to go to the previous video to see the settings, but let me still quickly show you guys the settings here. What you need to do is just for you to screenshot the settings. You can see the indicators we have here. We have the indicator, we have relative strength index, we also have alligator. So what you need to do first is for you to click on that alligator on the main chart. You can screenshot this, please. You can screenshot this. Okay, you can see the settings and everything, right? You go back, click on done, you add, go on the indicator window, one add relative strength index. You have the period here is 14. Apply to close for pixel. You see the levels right there. You can screenshot. Go back and click on done. You bring alligator under indicator window one. You can see the settings here. You can screenshot. Okay, you see the parameters. You can screenshot and you click on done. That's all. Okay, that's all, guys. That's all, guys. All right, so we see again